You too. What's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Mari back again with another video for you boys today, man. As you can see, I got a special guest in the vid today, man. Got my boy right here. My boy John. Shout yourself out.
Yeah. Your boy John. You can follow me, Johnny Deep's YouTube. It's probably gonna be in the
Yeah, facts. On the screen too. Yeah, on the screen.
That's my screen right there.
That's ain't looking fire. My boy got the Camaro.
6-speed manual.
Yeah. That's ain't fire. Got the Scat out here too. I actually met my boy not too long ago. Feel me? He's on the same type of time and I'm on this car content, so he was like, might as well go out for a ride, get a little collab in today, man, on this beautiful day. It's also my boy's birthday, so shout out to my boy, feel me? Yeah, for doing this on his B-Day too. I appreciate you, bro. Yeah. Everybody say happy birthday to my son in the comments, man. You feel me? But I'm gonna stop yapping your heads up because my GoPro dies pretty quick, so we're gonna get on the road, just get this good content for y'all boys today. But yeah, so me and my boy about to get on the highway right now. Give y'all boys a little content. Let me kick it his spoil real quick. Roll the windows down a little bit so y'all can hear the car. I want y'all to hear his Camaro though. Like his Camaro sound tough, bro. This Camaro sound tough. Let's get it started. Oh my god, this mirror looks so good in the rear view, bro. Moving, boy. That boy moving. I hear his mirror. Oh my god. God, we moving right now, y'all. I'm not even talking to y'all right now. I'm locked in right now. He told me to leave, I'll leave. You know I'll leave, man. My boy hyping up the vid right now, bro. Oh my god. I gotta ask how much horsepower his Camaro is pushing, cause his Camaro is moving, y'all. Like moving. I don't think the camera's picking it up that good. I'm here. Oh, he here. He here with me. Let's go. We moving on this joint, boy. We moving on this joint, boy. There you go. He there. He here with me. Hopefully I can see, bro. I'm trying to make sure my camera is straight. I think it's good though. Let me see. I'll take this exit right here and loop into another highway right now. Woo, my boy, I'm barely talking. Hopefully y'all boys enjoying this vid, man. My boy hyping up the vid right now. Shout out to you, bro. Feel me? I know you gonna watch this. Shout out to you, bro. My boy doing this on his birthday too. So everybody say happy birthday to my boy in the chat. We're about to get on 1 and 9 right now. If y'all know this highway, I hate this highway, y'all. Like, what highway got stop signs on it or stoplights? Nah, my boy was moving that Camaro, bro. Oh my god. this straight. Oh yeah, I got some content for y'all boys today, man. Let me know if y'all want to see more collabs, bro. Let me know if y'all trying to see more collabs, man. I'm trying to get him next to me. We was moving on that joint, boy. Oh my God. Nah, bro. Shout out to my boy for real, man. I'm gonna put his link in the description. Also his channel on the screen. Oh, he moving. Nah, man, that's tough, bro. I need more collabs, man. My boy turned me up. Nah, yeah, that's fire, bro. I'm hyped right now. I don't even know if y'all could tell. I can probably tell the joy right now. Oh my gosh. That was tough. That was tough. This is where like I hate this part, bro. I'm gonna try to get my boy to follow real quick. He's stuck on his car. Nah, man, it's a beautiful day for some content too, y'all. Oh. Damn, I left my boy. I left my boy. No. No, my fault, bro. Let me hit him up. My fault. Hold on, yo. I'm trying to wait up for him, bro. I don't know how to. I mean, one and not funny, bro. My fault. Okay. Nah, that was tough just now, y'all. Oh man, yeah, that was valid though, man. I'm gonna try to wait up for my boy. I might cut this part out. I'm trying to wait up for him, so I might drive a little slow. Yeah, that was the end of that video, man. I was just so hyped on the highway. I didn't even get to film an outro for y'all boys, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed that vid, man. Appreciate my boy again. Thanks for popping out for me on his B-Day too, man. Don't forget to say happy birthday in the chat. Yes, sir. Yeah. But that's gonna end today's vid, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, man. On the road to 2K, man. We close, so let's keep running it up and just get into it, man. But your boy Mario out of here. Everybody stay blessed, man. Stay safe. I'll catch y'all, man.